What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy with the clean shoes. Can't see what's on the feet, so we got some heats. Hope you guys are all doing well. I am doing fantastic. Another beautiful day, man. Can't complain. Yeah, about to put some gas in this thing. Perfect timing. What's up, G? It's got spotted right now. Well, let me change this screen. Look over here, looks crazy on camera right now. Shit bugging. Oh shit! I'm about to have to put the Adro bumper on a little sooner. Woo! My favorite place. Honestly, I should have stock at this gas station because, man, I'd be giving them thousands. I ain't gonna lie. We'll just go right here with it. So this is like day 3 with the JB4 on the car. Honestly, it runs pretty solid. I don't really have any complaints. I mean, it feels good. The car doesn't do anything weird. Seems like it's really conservative, but at the same time, you know, we're obviously getting some gains. We're on map 3, which is the +6 PSI and E30. I already got my mixtures down from before. I'm pretty used to it. So yeah, man, we're gonna put some more gas in this thing, and we are doing a financial mistake once again. Weak ass E85 mix. Ugh. I hate this shit. Overpriced too, and it stank. Driving against the sun. Beautiful. God damn, that shit is bright. Man, it's about to ruin the video for you guys. Now, obviously, I'm gonna be sending the ECU off. I don't know if I'm gonna go port injection and full E85 first, because that shit's hella expensive. Like, the manifold for this car is like 7 bands. So right now I'm trying to work out a sponsorship with CSF, so we can get the manifold on here. And then once we have the manifold, it's kind of full send at that point. You can kind of do whatever. First, we'll just do like E60, and I'll just test my luck a little bit with the stock manifold. Hopefully I don't blow the shit, but most likely it will happen, because it's just like my Z. Like the stock plastic manifold, over 30 pounds, like you're just kind of asking for that shit to crack. So I mean, if we do port injection, full E, definitely can make like low 800s, but yeah, I mean, regardless, either way, this car's gonna make nice power. I mean, it truthfully pulls as is. Like, it doesn't need to be faster, but for me, it needs to be faster. But for the average person, honestly, guys, this car is plenty fast for the average person. It's enough to have a lot of fun. It's more than enough power for the canyons. It's more than enough power to like go on rallies and keep up with everybody. Like, you don't really need to mod these cars, like I mentioned before. But if you're fresh kicks, you know, you don't really keep shit stockish, so yeah, we got modded. I already told you guys that I did still want another set of wheels for this car. Right now, currently, I'm on the 18s, obviously, which were a partial sponsor. You know, this is like the race setup, canyon setup. Basically, what I'm gonna need anyways, once the car's tuned, regardless, I need an 18 on the back because we need to fit a nice size tire. If not, this car is just gonna spin like crazy. The setup that I wanted to run on this car was like a squared setup. I wanted to do 19s all the way around. So I'm gonna have 18s, 19s, and 20s. Crazy, right? The only problem, and reason why you don't see a lot of people running 19s on these cars, is because no one really makes G8X spec 19s. So the only people really making 19s for this car is Apex. And they're cool. I mean, I like the Apex wheels, they're nice, but it's just, I just don't care for them that much. Like, I prefer to have like Advans or T's or something else. So since I want to run 19s all the way around with a wheel of my choice, I just have to take matters into my own hands and make it work. This is not my first rodeo. I've done this plenty of times. So basically, I'm buying wheels that are not technically for this car. I can either, 1, re-drill them, which I'm trying to avoid because I don't want to take the original lug pattern away. 2, adapters, which I'm most likely going to do because I need spacers regardless, just because of the offset. And 3, I could just get the stud conversion, but even with the stud conversion, I'm gonna need spacers, so I might as well just do the adapters. Just makes more sense. If I re-drill them, then just taking away the OEM aspect of the wheel, and they might be worth less money. So I'm a bit excited to pick up these wheels. I I know I said I didn't want these wheels, and just based off me saying that, y'all already know what they are. Because truthfully, guys, I didn't want them. I didn't want them, and I'll tell you why. I didn't want these wheels in a 20-inch. That's what I didn't want. I wanted them in a 19, but they don't make a 19-inch spec for a G8X. The only way that you can like literally just bolt them right up is to get super spec or M340 spec, but the rear offset is way too high. Like, you'll have to run a spacer like probably damn near an inch on the back, and that's not gonna happen. So the only way to get the fitment and the look that I actually want for this car, I just gotta take matters into my own hands and just do it myself. 20s look good if it's the right wheel, but most of the time 20s just look a little bit too big for this car. That's just my opinion. So yeah, we're gonna be doing the third wheel setup for this car, but truthfully, I think it's gonna look so damn good. Like, I think it'll probably even look better than the Meisters. Like, the Meisters look great, but just the look of my car and the color of it, and just like with the Adro kit, especially the bumper later, the wing, I just think that this wheel setup is gonna just look so good with the whole combo. But yeah, once I pick up the wheels and we got them in the whip, I will hop back in this video. All right, guys, no turning back. The wheels are now in my possession. I'm actually, one of the wheels is actually riding passenger right now. And it's so funny because bucket seat is like holding it perfectly. This is hilarious. And obviously it's dark, so you guys can't see. So when we stop and I pull him out the car, I will show you the drip. Okay. What's happening, guys? We made it back, and here is the drip. Oof, beautiful. OG discontinued SLs. Obviously it's only two, but it's a full squares up. They are 19s all the way around, and these things are mint. For being the OGs, these are mint. With the authentic OG caps. Very nice. Taz, what are you doing? Taz, look. Oh, he's over there chasing a cricket. Anyways, like I mentioned in the video earlier, I know you can make the M340 super spec work, but one thing I don't like about those T's is the front 9.5 spec. If you notice, you look at this, it actually has a decent sized lip. I would say this is about like 2.5 inches. On the 9.5 5x112 for the M340 and super spec, it has like no lip, and it just, the wheel just doesn't look right. I don't know, the front spec just looks weird to me. That's look. What's up, my G? G, morning. Say hi. People will always be like, bro, you never post your dog. Well, I mean, I don't run a dog channel. And this fool is scared of the car, so you ain't no real car dog. Nah, I want to get him some like little booties or something so I could put on his paws, because he goes crazy in the car, bro. And like, I'm sorry, but you are not getting in the M4 going crazy like that. Like, you ain't even getting in the S15. Not gonna happen. So yeah, that's one thing I don't like about the 5x112 spec TEs. The front just doesn't look that good. I don't know. You guys can go look for yourself. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can go look for yourself, and then you'll be like, you'll kind of understand. So the rear spec has a small lip like this, so the rear looks very similar to this. It's fine, but it's totally the wrong offset. Like, that offset's gonna require at least like a 25 mil spacer just to have like decent fitment. So yeah, just had to take matters into my own hands. I know that I can make these work. I'm gonna be putting these on a decently meaty tire, nothing too big. But yeah, the vision in my head on how these wheels should fit, they should look really good. So I'm excited, can't wait, especially with the blue stickers, and then I'm obviously gonna be doing the calipers blue. That's just gonna look sick. So I do plan to keep them black for now. I have some colors in mind if I ever want to switch it up. Tomorrow we have another busy day. I gotta pick up the wing for the M4. I gotta get an alignment, be bouncing around all over the place like that cricket that went under my car. So stay tuned, and we're gonna be hopping back into this video. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to coming at you live from the info. Hey, low-key, this car is not the greatest on gas. When you're in Sport Plus, it'd be drinking. It's crazy that both cars make similar power, but the M340, even on E50, was getting way better gas mileage than this car on 91, which is crazy because they make like the same power. This car on full E85 is definitely not gonna be the greatest on gas. But it's cool. It's miles per gallon. Finally, man, my wing has came. I'm so excited. But the crappy part is I'm sending the ECU out in a week. So I don't even know if I'm gonna have time to get it installed and get pictures or enjoy it. I'm probably just gonna have to wait until we get the ECU back and the car is running again. This is how funny the internet is, bro. Remember how I posted about these are like pretty fire? There was a guy, he was like, bro, those things are pure sugar, blah, 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 blah. My comment back, bro, these are zero sugar. Having downpipes and being able to hear your tires is crazy. Oh, the dual pull, this shit gonna be in map 6. Custom tune, it ain't got a custom tune. All right, we good. Yeah, so far, after the downpipes, car is running fine, feels good. With the JB4, no issues. So we got literally this weekend and a little bit of next week to play with the car. ECU is getting sent out. Just gonna try to enjoy it, have my fun now, and bring you guys whatever content I can with the M4 before it's gone. Because after that, it's gonna be all S15, guys. So I'm gonna have to start coming up with some new stuff to do with the S15. Maybe I'll mic up the exhaust or put a mic in the engine bay, get some turbo noises. I don't know, something. I'll come up with something. Or maybe we'll turn the boost up a little bit. I don't know. There's just no point to turn it up, like, unless I'm gonna put an actual tire on it and get rid of the stance shit, you know what I mean? So that's why I just feel like I should just leave it where it's at. I'm over here high, I didn't even drink nothing yet. I ain't gonna lie, most of the stuff you drink like 30 minutes after you brush your teeth, that should be nasty. Bro, I cannot wait until this express lane opens up. Cause your boy is about to be... So yeah, currently I'm on my way to the Adro facility, and we're gonna pick up this wing, man. I wish I was getting it installed right now. I'd be one happy motherfucker right now. Yeah, I don't want to bore you guys. Hopefully smooth sailing all the way there. So we'll be back. All right, guys, as you see, we made it over to my guy, Best Tire Shop. Time for an alignment. I put probably 1,500 miles on the suspension, so it's about that time. I don't want to prematurely wear my tires. These things are definitely not cheap. That's it. PPF bussin'. Yo, check out this MR2. This thing's hella clean. Got the clear tails, the dual tomes. Paint is pretty clean. Obviously, it got a little bit rained on, but you can definitely tell the paint's wet. Jeez. This thing's actually hard. I'm assuming it's a... Oh, wait, I don't know. I don't know what engine's in there, but I see some polished shit. I don't know if it's K-swap, stock, I'm not sure. I'll ask. But you gotta appreciate a slam car with clean fenders, bro. This thing's actually really nice. Rare. Hardly see these things clean on the streets. Alright guys, alignment all done. She ready to go? Oh wow, my seat just decided to just go forward. I don't know why, I don't know. Finally, the wing is here. Yeah, y'all just gonna have to give me a second. Whew, I'm getting old, man. That was a workout. Alright, so this is my first impression, guys, seeing the carbon, seeing the wing. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. very simple wing. Very simple. This thing look like a big ass boomerang, ain't gonna lie. Beautiful quality. Adro's definitely killing it with the carbon. They make some amazing stuff. So I was gonna go big or go home. They do have another wing they just dropped, which is a newer one, but it is really aggressive. It's like just screaming, look at my wing. You know what I'm saying? And I just felt like, my car is not that aggressive to like kind of pull it off. Like it might have looked okay, but I just felt like this one would just look a lot more clean on the car. And we have in here, I don't even know if I'll pull them out for you guys. Maybe I'll just do one. They're together. F it, I'll just show you guys. Why not? You know, y'all like my family, so I feel like I gotta show you everything. All right, here it is. Very nice. The quality on this is crazy. That's solid. You hear that? That's just solid. One. Here's the other one. I should just drop this on the carbon right now. It's not screaming for attention, but it's just enough. It's like if you want a wing, but you don't want a big wing, but you want like something a little bit more aggressive than just a regular trunk spoiler, then this was 100% the way to go. And like I said, Adro was the big push for me getting the M4 in general. Like I kind of would have leaned more towards the G80, but after seeing the full Adro kit, like bumper, side splitters, rear diffuser, the wing with a nice color, I was just like kind of sold. Like it just, I was like, all right, I need it. M4 with the Adro kit, in my opinion, looks freaking great. So yeah, there it is, guys. Here's the wing. Very nice. It's just gonna look so good on the car. I am like too excited. I'm so damn tired of seeing that naked ass trunk. And what we have over here, this is the front lip for the Adro bumper. We got that over there. So yeah, on that note, guys, I'm probably just gonna end the video here. We got tons of content on the way. Definitely make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Be sure to drop a thumbs up. Catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.